Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to add spacers to your dock on your Mac. It's a really easy thing to do, and it helps keep your dock organized. First thing you need to do is open the Terminal application. You can find it through Launchpad or using Spotlight Search. Just type Terminal. Once you have the terminal open, we need to paste in a command to add the spacer. Now don't worry about typing it all out. I've put the command lines down in the description below for you to easily copy and paste. Okay, so for this example, let's add a small spacer to the dock. I've got the commands handy here in a text document. I'm going to copy the small spacer command, just like this, and then paste it into the terminal. Now, watch closely. When I press enter, my dock is going to restart. Don't panic. It's totally normal. All your open applications will reappear on your desktop, and the spacer will be right there in your dock. So let's do it. Presses enter. See? Everything restarted, all my apps are back, and look. There's a spacer on my dock. The spacer behaves just like any other app icon. You can click and hold it to drag it around and move it between your other applications. If you want to remove the spacer later, just right-click on it and select Remove from Dock. Poof. Gone. Now if you want more spacers, you just need to paste and execute the command for each one. So, let's add another small spacer. Paste the command, press enter, and there it is. I'll put this one next to Safari. Want another one? Same process, paste, enter, boom. Another spacer. Want a larger space? No problem. It's a very similar process. Copy the command line for the larger spacer from the description below, paste it into the terminal, and execute the command. Executes command. As you can see, the space has been successfully added to my dock, and it's significantly larger than the small spacer. Like the small spacer, it behaves the same way. I can move this between other applications, and even move it next to the small spacer if I want to do so. Personally, I find the extra large spacer a bit too big, so I'm going to remove it, and I'm going to add another smaller spacer. And that's it. That's how you add spacers to the dock on your Mac. Super simple, right? If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, it really helps the channel. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.